We talk occasion only on the internet. Oh, we talk occasion only on the internet. Oh, we talk occasion only on the internet. But the real time spent is not easy to forget.
Hi, I'm Tessa Allen, and I'm here to help small business owners understand what information to give their tax preparer. This video is about extensions. As a small business owner, you may have found that you have a lot of different details to be juggling. Besides actually just running your business, tax season, you've got to come up with all these expenses, and depending on how good your record keeping was, on how much of a procrastinator you might be, or how many other people you had to rely on before you could get your information, it may be a little late in tax season. I just want to let you know there is no shame in filing an extension. Not only does it give your tax preparer more time to thoroughly examine all of your information and do a really good, proper return, it just gives you more time to find your expenses and, get everything together. There doesn't have to be such a rush. You have until October 15th if you file an extension, and it's totally okay. Now, the only thing is that filing an extension is basically permission from the IRS to file a late tax return. What it does not give you permission to do is pay your taxes late. So, unfortunately, there is some incentive there to get your taxes together early enough so that you have some idea of what you should be paying. Now, you can pay an amount with your extension, and if you paid too much because you're just estimating, then when you actually file your real tax return later in the year, you'll get a refund back because you paid too much. Or if you didn't pay enough, then you'll owe something when you pay your tax return. And that part that you owed that you maybe didn't realize you owed, there might be a little bit of a penalty on that. But it's better to do a proper tax return and have all your information than be stressed out about trying to get it in on time.
We talk occasion only on the internet. Oh, we talk occasion only on the internet. Oh, we talk occasion only on the internet. But the real time spent is not easy to forget.
You could totally file an extension, and that would be awesome for your tax preparer. I'm just... You can totally do this, man! Yes, I'm trying to think of it. That's what I meant to say, but I said totally instead. You could totally...